In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to cite a book in MLA format on Google Docs using the Google Docs citation option. So this is the sample books that has three authors with all the other information like title, year of publication, edition, publisher, and place of publication. Now we need to go to Google Docs. So let's jump into Google Docs. Here it is. Click on the Google Apps. If you scroll down, you can see Google Docs. Then open a new document. Either you can choose a blank document or you can select report MLA, which is already formatted according to MLA formatting. I would highly suggest to use MLA report format unless your teachers instructed otherwise. Right. So say this is the report based on the MLA template, and I have taken a piece of information from a source, in this case, the book that I have shown, and I would like to cite and reference that piece of information using Google Docs Citation. To do so, what we have to do is click on Tools, and then we have the Google Citations option here. Click on that. Then by default, it is MLA. Then we need to add citation sources. In this case, it's a book, which is by default, but we can change based on our needs. And then how did we access to that particular document, whether it is a website, online document, or it's printed. In my case, I would say that it was a printed book. And then we will add the author. If we have more than one author, then we have to click on this document options called contributor. Click on that and you can add as many as you want. Write on the title, publisher, year of publication, city if available. As you see that the asterisk sign, it means that there need to be some information there. Otherwise, you can save it. Now, to save our time, I have done that already here. As you see that we have three authors for this particular book. Then we have title, publishing year, and the city was London. And third edition, now I am going to save it. So if I save, that's create the citation. How wonderful. Now, I want that I want to insert the in-text citation where I, right after I borrowed the information from. So say, I want to say that research claimed that, and said, and who are those researcher? I can then in-text cite here. Now we have to replace the hashtag with page number if available. According to our document, the information came from page 4. Therefore, I will put the page 4 here. And then I'm done. Now, we have to make a works cited page for the full reference. And the works cited page should always be a new page. If you do that, this is a new page. You just simply click Insert Works Cited. Bingo. And you see that everything is here. And that's all. And that's how it is for a book to cite in MLA. If you need further information, please visit our MLA Citation LibGuide or come and see me in the DSC library or drop me an email. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.